today's world, comfort is not luxury, it's a necessity. And when innovation meets design, comfort becomes an experience. Welcome to the world of LG air conditioning systems, brought to you by BNE, your trusted HVAC expert across India.
Let's begin with the LG Round Cassette air conditioner, the true definition of 360-degree cooling. Its unique circular design ensures airflow in every direction. No hotspots, just total comfort. Quiet operation, elegant aesthetics, and smart energy efficiency make it the perfect choice for homes, offices, and luxury interiors. That's what LG Round Cassette means.
For sleek places that demands both efficiency and aesthetic, meet the LG one-way cassette AC. Its slim, compact design fit effortlessly into boutiques and offices. Smart controls, low energy use, and effortless operations, making smart choice for smart business.
Now step into the future of indoor comfort with LG four-way cassette AC. Its independent vane control directs air exactly where it's needed, ensuring uniform comfort across every corner. With auto elevate grills, filter alert, and LG Think Smart connectivity, this AC redefines intelligent cooling efficiently, elegantly, and effortlessly.
Next, experience dual direction precision with LG two-way cassette air conditioner. Designed for offices, showrooms, and modern interiors, it delivers powerful dual airflow and uniform cooling that adapts to your space. Compact, stylish, and whisper quiet, it's where style meets its performance.
For the business environment where the precision matters, LG brings four-way cassette AC Compact. A powerhouse in minimal form with human direction sensor, airflow adjustment automatically based on the occupancy, saving energy intelligently. Its multi-stage purification system filters dust and PM 1.0 particles, keeping the air pure, healthy, and safe. Blackfin technology ensures long-lasting durability even in challenging environments.
When the power meets the design, you get the LG Ductable air conditioning. From the largest showroom and retail floors to premium interiors and bedrooms, it delivers uniform airflow, quiet comfort, and energy-efficient performance. Choose between the hanging duct and the grill duct model. Each engineers seamless integration for a total comfort.
At BNE, we go beyond distribution. We retail, install, and service of LG air conditioner with technical excellence and total reliability. From homes to commercial spaces, style, comfort, and performance comes together with LG and BNE, because at BNE, your comfort is our expertise.